Okay, everyone, on this lesson, we will be exercising a very important issue, a very important task for you, for your studies, and also when you got your first job, that is an alarm for your billing. So we will be doing this on CloudWatch, so you can be here accessing by the recently visit on CloudWatch here, or we can go here and go directly to search CloudWatch. It is under monitoring and monitor resource and applications. So go directly there and we go to all alarms. You can see that I have lots of examples here. So create alarm, select the metric. So we will be selecting billing and total estimated charge. You can click the USD, select the metric. We can put here the metric name, currency, statistic, the period. 1 day will be enough, but if you use your AWS account lots of times, you can put 1 hour or 6 hours. So you can put greater than $15. Next, in alarm, you can send a notification to an SNS topic. Here we have my Gmail, or let me put here the GT. So contacts.guilhermeteres.com.br. Okay, so if you want, you can put some Lambda action, auto-scaling action, or any other, but right now just an email notification. So the alarm name, it's billing above underscore above 15. Okay, so next, and create alarm. So basically that I recommend you do. Right now it's insufficient data because it takes some minutes to be collecting the information, but this is basically the stuff. You can see the others that I have created. Okay,